Bitcoin Explained, the future of money and technology. Welcome, seekers of digital enlightenment. Here, where logic and intuition converge, we unravel the enigma of Bitcoin. I'm your guide, and this is Crypto Rationality Satoshi Emotion. Today, we're not just dissecting a technology. We're exploring a narrative, a cultural phenomenon, a digital poem written in the language of code. Whether you're a seasoned coder or a curious soul, join me as we journey into the heart of Bitcoin. Stick around because by the end, you'll see Bitcoin not just as a currency, but as a revolution, a paradigm shift, a whisper of freedom in the digital age. Bitcoin, a name whispered in the digital corridor since 2009. A creation of the elusive Satoshi Nakamoto, a phantom architect who gifted us a decentralized dream. Not just a currency, but a rebellion against centralized power. A digital symphony played without a conductor. Unlike the paper notes we clutch, Bitcoin exists purely as code, secured by the elegant dance of cryptography. It's a testament to the power of anonymity, a mystery that continues to captivate and inspire. At the heart of Bitcoin lies a trinity: blockchain, decentralization, and cryptography. Imagine the blockchain as a living, breathing digital ledger, a public canvas where every transaction is a brushstroke, transparent and immutable. Thousands of nodes, like vigilant sentinels, maintain this ledger, ensuring no single entity can corrupt its integrity. And cryptography? It's the guardian of this digital realm, the secret language that secures our transactions, protecting our digital assets with mathematical elegance. When you send Bitcoin, you're initiating a digital ballet. Your wallet, your personal stage, creates the transaction. This performance is broadcast to the network, where miners, the choreographers of the blockchain, verify and record it. Once confirmed, the transaction is etched into the ledger, a permanent mark in the history of Bitcoin. And remember, this dance is irreversible, a testament to the finality and security of the blockchain. Miners, the alchemists of the blockchain. They're not just solving puzzles, they're safeguarding the integrity of the network, ensuring its decentralized heart beats strong. With their powerful machines, they decipher cryptographic riddles, validating transactions and adding new blocks to the chain. And for their efforts, they're rewarded with newly minted Bitcoin, the digital gold of this revolutionary system. It's a system of trust, built on mathematical proof, a testament to the power of collective effort. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a symbol of financial sovereignty, a tool for liberation. It's about breaking down the barriers of traditional finance, enabling borderless transactions, and empowering the billions who are excluded from the old systems. It's about reclaiming control, about building a more equitable financial future. It's a revolution that resonates with the very essence of human freedom. Bitcoin is not just a technology, it's a story, a movement, a paradigm shift. Understanding its inner workings is the first step towards embracing this digital renaissance. What are your thoughts? Join the conversation in the comments below. And if you're ready to explore the intersection of code and creativity, logic and emotion in the world of crypto, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Join the Crypto Rationality Satoshi Emotion community. Until next time, keep questioning, keep creating, and keep exploring the boundless possibilities of the digital frontier.